I'm Holly. These are my daughters, these are my nephews, and this is our crazy house.
Life in the Mastardi house can get pretty hectic, especially when it comes to cleaning.
Yeah, she gets mad all the time when she cleans.
One big issue for homeowner Holly was when the family had traditional blinds.
With traditional blinds, you have to worry about the cords, the children getting tangled in the cords. And they used to try to hide behind them, and I was always scared that they were going to get injured.
Enter Obeah Blinds between the glass from Intigral.
We offer a full line of products that really can go into any household or commercial project. We offer lift and tilt blinds, tilt only, Venetian, roller, and pleated. We even have some home automation systems as well. There are so many benefits to blinds between the glass. First of all, your blinds are between the glass, so you're not going to be cleaning them. It's safer if you have children's animals running around.
This blind you're starting to see a lot more of. This is an SSLT, or a single side lift and tilt blind. So with this, you still have a Venetian blind, so you have the metal slats. We can tilt it, and we can raise it completely up out of the way.
While the Mastardi family enjoys the safety of Obeah Blinds, Sheila Thomas is all about the ease.
This blind is marvelous. I love it.
As an arthritis sufferer, Sheila likes that she doesn't have difficult cords to pull.
Pulling the blinds up, if they were very long blinds, pulling them up with the cord hurt my hands. It's hard to pull them because the cords are generally pretty thin.
Not having to dust is also an added bonus.
The air quality is much better since we've installed the blinds. There isn't all that dust resting on them.
These blinds are going to last you a really long time. They have been cycle tested 290,000 times. These are all made right here in the USA.
We filled out a form online, and they put us in touch with a local installer who came out and measured everything and did all the install, and everything just went like a breeze.
Obeah Blinds between the glass are also a great option for sliding glass doors, perfect when you own a pool like the Richmonds.
We moved to Northeast Ohio about 9 years ago. We moved for my husband's work, and we love the area. We love the community. We love the location. We originally were going to put curtains all the way across, and that was just too much to get in the way of the kids. These are perfect. They open and they close. You don't have to worry about them getting dirty, dusty. They look fantastic, and you don't have to worry about the kids getting tangled or any damage.
And Intigral also has products for customers looking for smart home innovation via their Obeah and Screenline brands.
This one is called our swipe system, and you can simply swipe the blind, and the blind will work automatically. It's run off of a battery pack, so it's motorized, and it has a rechargeable battery. You can stop it wherever you want. You can operate it. You can even take this blind and put it on a remote control. Now, the most advanced blind that we have is this system here. First off, it's a wired solution, so you do have to wire this into a home control system. But you can control it through some of the latest technology. So you can take a tablet and you can actually operate the blind that way. You can even tie this into a smart home system so it can be voice controlled. And everything that you saw here today, you can put in Venetian or in a pleated shade all the way up to blackout.
To learn more about Obeah and Screenline brands, go to integral.com or visit designingspaces.tv.
You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.